Hello Internet. As you can see, I am busy trying to replace this half-dead driver MOSFET. Why it's half-dead and how I found it, you're going to find out only if you watch this video till the end. As usual, once part is removed, I will mix the existing lead-free solder with leaded to make it easier to remove. Then, I will wick it all away and place a new driver MOSFET, which I have already prepared. This driver MOSFET already has solder applied to its pads, so I will heat it up until things start to melt, and then gently press from the top, squeezing any excessive amount of solder. And then I will iron the edges using a micro tip. That way I know that all pads make good connection with the board. Now, the way I was able to identify this driver MOSFET being faulty is simple. I disconnected it from the DRMOS circuit. DRMOS circuit is what monitors these driver MOSFETs for temperatures, and if it starts to overheat, it will shut down the entire GPU, which was exactly the symptom this card came in for repair. In any case, I will connect this driver MOSFET back to the DRMOS circuit by simply moving this resistor back where it belongs and run stress tests, which, as you can see, works just fine. That's it for this short educating video. I hope you guys have learned something, and if so, please hit me with a like, comment below, and consider subscribing if you like this kind of content. Goodbye.